Have you heard of the thriller, filler, spiller approach to container planting? Let me show you how you can use this approach to create something beautiful. Today I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite container creations. A blue hydrangea planter that brings me so much joy. I live in Zone 8B in North Texas where summer gets very hot and very humid, so I need plants and containers that can hang in there. For the thriller, I planted these gorgeous big leaf blue hydrangeas. When I took them out of their nursery pot, the soil kind of fell apart, but I just went with it. I centered the main root ball in the pot and used the loose soil to fill in around it. This gray concrete container is about 20 inches wide and one of my favorites. I have two of them flanking the entrance to our patio. They look beautiful in every season and really elevate the space. If they get scuffed or dinged, probably from a squirrel snack hunt, I touch them up with a BG5 blue-gray alcohol marker that I found at Hobby Lobby. It works like a charm. For a spiller to trail down the container, I added a vibrant creeping jenny. I love the color contrast. I also tucked in a sweet potato vine. It grew a little slower here in the shade than it would in full sun, but I still love the soft, trailing effect. For the filler, I went with alyssum. Its delicate blooms add such a pretty texture. I added another creeping jenny opposite the first, so there's interest from another vantage point. Altogether, there are 5 plants in this container. I like to plant in odd numbers when I can, but honestly, sometimes less isn't more, sometimes more is more. If you're creating your own patio or garden space, my best advice is this: give yourself grace. Try what you love and don't stress if something doesn't grow just right. Choose whatever plants and containers make you smile and go create something beautiful. Gardening is an experiment, and I often move things around to see where they thrive. Just enjoy the colors, textures, and the magic of nature doing its thing. To finish everything off, I gave the patio and planters a good clean so the whole area felt fresh. I love the way the plant colors pop against the gray of the container. I've linked the concrete containers and the Stihl blower I use in the video description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. I will see you next time.